Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video with the C63 AMG. And your boy, Costa Rim, me. Let's go. So, as I said in a previous video, we have all the parts that we need in the car. We got our 4 control arms, we got our oil, we got our filter, we got our parking brake hardware. And we also have the second part of the repair, which is pretty much everything else. Got our timing chain tensioner, our rear main seal, flywheel bolts, and the valve cover gasket. Possibly the whole even valve cover we'll need, but once we take it apart, we will kind of decide if we need a new one or not. That's gonna be a lot of fun. So, yeah, probably the next video you guys are gonna see us repair, well, pretty much everything. I'm gonna try to do as much of it myself, but you know, especially some of the more difficult stuff where you need another pair of hands, I will have some assistance, let's just say. So yeah, anyways, it was a long weekend, had a lot of fun, got a nice tan, went on the boat, went to the beach, played some volleyball, let's go, had some nice food, spent some time with family and friends. It was great, absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's why I haven't really been posting, because I've been just enjoying, you know, personal. But yeah, that's nice, you know, you gotta do it, It's not easy to do YouTube by yourself. As I said in a previous video, everybody has gigantic teams and they have these planners and this and that, and everybody can, you know, everybody can crank out videos easily. But yo, I am just one person that is about to make this green light. Oh yeah, yellow light. Cross the line at the yellow, make a turn. Apex, let's go. That's too funny. See, that's why you gotta drive a car like this, so you can make those. Because I'm telling you, if you're driving like a Hyundai Elantra or whatever, you're not making that. Maybe you'll be able to accelerate, maybe you'll be able to press the brakes, but I doubt you'll be able to turn the wheel and the car won't go and woo, like fly into another dimension. So yeah, that's why I love this car, is because you can do exactly what you need to do on the road, like, and that's enough. Like, that's the thing, you don't need to go 320 kilometers an hour. You don't need to stop, you know, 100 to 0 in 2 seconds and 30 feet. Like, you don't need that. Wait, is that even possible? I don't know. But that's the thing, you don't need that. You just need that little oomph, that extra oomph over every other car on the road. And that's all you need. Like, this car is just enough. It's exactly what you need. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. Anyways, yeah, it's not easy to do all these videos and everything, so I try my best. I try to put out videos as often as possible, and again, at the end of the day, I realized something. Every single video you put out, the video is like one of your soldiers. You train that video, you train that soldier, and then you put it out there. And then it goes out to fight for you and work for you. And then eventually it will grow and get bigger and bigger and bigger, and it'll bring you more money and more information, more audience, and more everything. So you kind of have to just put them out there, and you have to have this mentality of, I am going to do this video, and it's going to go out there, and it's going to help me grow. Because that's how it is. For example, I'm doing like this, posting every single day until I can buy a 992 GT3 RS. Well, I kind of realized that, first of all, every one of those little shorts that I make, it makes me about 10 cents. For 1,000 views, 10 cents. Nice. Like, let's just do the math in our heads really quick. You guys probably, if you're watching this, you'll have a calculator. If the average 992 GT3 RS costs 500,000 Canadian dollars, and you need that much money, and each one of the shorts brings 10 cents, you need to do 10 shorts for $1, So that's 10 times 500,000. So that's 5 million shorts that I gotta do if they stay at 1,000 views each. Guys, 5 million shorts divided by 365. Do the math. If this continues at this pace, I will be long gone before a short will ever, all the shorts will ever pay for a 992 GT3 RS. Well, that's assuming that they kind of, you know, keep getting 1,000. So that is just, it's absolutely mind-blowing if you really sit down and you do the math. Like, that's crazy. 5 million divided by 365. I could probably do that in my head. Let's just say even, well, let's just say 300, because obviously they're gonna grow a little bit. So 5 million divided by 300. Let's carry the zeros, so we'll take away 1 0. That's 500,000. That's 50,000, and basically 50,000 divided by 3. What's 50,000 divided by 3? That's how many years it would take to get enough shorts to yeah, like there's no point to eat, like there's no point. Yeah, it's 17,500 years, but like, do you guys understand that 17,500 years it would take me posting shorts every single day to get enough money for a GT3 RS 992 posting shorts? I will not be alive. I will not be alive by the end of it. So it's kind of it doesn't, that's the thing, it doesn't sound real until you actually start doing it, and then you realize, wait a minute, it's growing, it's going faster and faster and faster, and all these things that I'm putting out are making more and more and more and more, and all of a sudden your views, your watch hours, your revenue, your reach, your impressions, your everything starts to just go, instead of like this, it starts to go like that, vertical. And that's when you're like, whoa, 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 I'm doing something right. And you kind of can't stop. So guys, if you, and girls, if you are doing something in life and you don't really see the results, don't stop, keep going. Just literally don't stop, because the results you might not see from that one result that you're doing today. Well, that one action that you're doing today, you might not see it immediately, but someday it'll just kind of boop, it'll boom, it'll do it. Like something will happen where you're gonna be like, oh my god, I'm like, something is happening, I'm being successful. So just don't stop. Literally, do not stop, and you will make it. It's very simple. And then your mindset will change from, oh my god, I'm doing it, I'm not gonna stop. And then you're gonna put away everything else in your life that's kind of not allowing you to do that, that's distracting you, and you're only gonna focus on the things that make you go like that, just vertical, that are gonna help you grow vertically. So guys, don't ever stop. Literally, if you're doing something in life, don't stop. Do not stop, because you're gonna make it. Trust me. All right, we have made it. Haha, ironically, we have made it to work. So the next video you guys will see is gonna be of me. See me. So we're gonna fix up the car a little bit, do kind of like the first stage of repairs that it needs, and then, you know, once I have a little bit more time and a little bit more information of how to do everything, we are gonna get to the stage 2 of the repairs of the C63. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.